Now, one question is of the same, I don't know, it is a woman, Ronnie Kunzelmann, the same person. Ronnie Kunzelmann, one cannot see. Anyhow, the question is of him or her, are young women allowed to have their own flat, their own house? Can they live alone as singles? If young women can select their own flat, their own living room. I mean, for example, if a woman wants to study somewhere in some other town, is she allowed to have her own flat, her own...
Maybe unmarried. Unmarried, she can live alone.
Alone?
When she's aged,
she can,
of course.
She can live alone with all the conditions I have explained. That wherever she lives, she should take care of her chastity. Now, it's not a time when parents can always live with their children. And some daughters, for the sake of education, for instance, have to go out. So the parents should always have a direct contact with them and see to it that they are always on the right path. With this condition, the care and affairs of the children, of the parents, they can live alone, of course.